Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Shrivastava and I am from Mirae Asset Mutual Fund. Factor investing, also known as smart beta investing, allows you to take exposure to style and strategies which may better align with your risk profile and investment objective. For example, if you want to target high returns and are okay with higher risk, momentum factor might be suitable for you. Whereas if you are risk averse in nature, low volatility factor might be suitable for you. Now, factor investing has grown significantly in last few years. Currently, the total AUM based on factor passive products is more than 46,000 crores. These factors are quality, momentum, low volatility, equal weight, value, etc. Now, while factor investing has delivered superior long-term performance, either on an absolute basis or risk-adjusted basis, it comes with an issue of cyclicality. For example, while momentum has done very well in the long term and during bull market, investors may not be comfortable with higher drawdowns during market corrections. Ability to hold on to investments gets properly tested when factors underperform. Additionally, investors avoid or are typically unable to pick the right factors for a given market regime or shift allocation to preferred factors as market regime changes. For example, in current market scenario, which one will you pick? Momentum, low vol, or value? Can you truly stay invested for 5 to 7 years for factor to work in your favor over a market cycle? Or does possibility of excess drawdown in, let's say, momentum in case of market correction concerns you, making you want to shift to ideal factors in a given market cycle? So in order to provide options to investor, Mirae Asset is launching a fund of fund which will take exposure in multiple factors like momentum, low volatility, equal weight, quality, value, etc., and dynamically manage the allocation based on given market regime. Hence, allocation will shift to the aggressive or defensive factors based on market cycle. The intent is to capture the potential of smart beta factors while having a relatively lower drawdown by mitigating single factor risk. In our investment framework, we will identify market regimes based on parameters like momentum, valuation, corporate earnings momentum, stock market strength and sensitivity, etc. Based on a given market regime, the allocation will shift in multiple factors, tilting in favor of aggressive or defensive factors, or at times in favor of balanced allocation. The fund of fund will only invest in domestic factor-based equity ETFs to take desired position based on our framework. Since change in allocation is being handled by the fund itself, there will be no tax impact due to such allocation changes, whereas same, if done by the investors themselves, will possibly invoke tax incidences. The NFO for Mirae Asset Multi-Factor Passive FOF is starting on 11th of August and will close on 25th of August. The scheme will reopen for investment from 1st September onwards. Investor may opt for lump sum or SIP based on their preference. Thank you for watching this video. We hope for your participation in this NFO.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.